Mastering the Art of Contouring, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the contouring technique. This technique has transformed the world of makeup, allowing individuals to sculpt, define, and enhance their facial features using makeup. Whether you're a language learner aiming to expand your vocabulary or a makeup enthusiast curious about contouring, this video is for you. Let's explore the ins and outs of contouring together. Contouring is a makeup technique used to define and sculpt the face. By applying makeup that's darker than your skin tone in certain areas, and highlighting others, contouring helps to create the illusion of more defined facial features. This technique can enhance your natural beauty by emphasizing your cheekbones, slimming your nose, and defining your jawline. It's like magic, but with makeup. Though contouring has gained immense popularity recently, it's not a new concept. This technique dates back to the 16th century, used in the theater to help actors' facial features stand out under harsh stage lighting. Fast forward to today, contouring has become a staple in everyday makeup routines, thanks to celebrities and makeup artists showcasing its transformative power on social media. To start contouring, you'll need a few key items. Contouring products. These can be creams, powders, or sticks, depending on your preference and skin type. Choose a shade 2 to 3 times darker than your skin tone for contouring and a highlighter 1 to 2 shades lighter. Brushes and sponges. A good set of brushes and a blending sponge are crucial for applying and blending the contour and highlighter seamlessly. Remember, the key to a natural-looking contour is blending, so invest in quality tools that will help you achieve a flawless finish. Here's a simple guide to get you started. 1. Prepare your skin with a moisturizer and foundation. 2. Map out your face. Identify the areas you want to contour. The sides of your nose, beneath your cheekbones, and your jawline are common choices. 3. Apply the contour using the products and tools mentioned earlier. Use light strokes and build up the product gradually. 4. Blend, blend, blend. This cannot be stressed enough. Blending is what makes the contour look natural and seamless. 5. Highlight. Apply highlighter to the areas you want to emphasize, like the tops of your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your brow bone. We hope this video demystifies the art of contouring and encourages you to try this transformative technique. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with contouring to find what works best for you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful videos on English language learning and beyond. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.